guys, it's Crystal with Skinny Life, and I want to show you something. I just loaded up at my favorite big box store, and I just want to show you some of the things I buy. These are staples in my pantry all the time. It's not just important what you buy, it's what you don't buy. So come on over for a second. I want to show you all of the great foods I load up on to make my pantry full and beautiful, make me feel like I have all kinds of choices, but things that are going to make me feel healthy, look better, and be a lot slimmer. So take a look at this. I've got melons, 2 bags of avocados here, these beautiful Myers lemons. Lemons are very alkalizing, so you should use them before you have a meal. Squeeze a half a lemon in your water and then have some protein. You will start a metabolic burn like you would not believe. Always keep your lemons. I've got a couple of these great papayas. You can cut them in half, snack on them. They're so satisfying. They'll digest your food, help you feel better, help you utilize your food, because if you're digesting better, you're utilizing your nutrition better. I've got strawberries, blueberries, tomatoes, blackberries, asparagus. I've got a big thing of salad. So if you can look over here, you take a look over here. I've got these wonderful eggs. Always have lots of eggs on hand. You can crack a couple of eggs in your pan and add extra egg whites for extra protein. The whites themselves have no fat, but you need some of the fats that the yellows have. So always put a couple of yellow yolks in there. I've got this great turkey that's all, just lean roasted turkey. So if you're hungry, always start your snack or your meal with your protein. That's going to satisfy you more than anything. We've got beautiful oranges down here. The point of it is, I'm trying to get you to see you can load up with food, and all of this is whole food. You know what all of these foods are. There are the right amount of fats. We have the good fats, the important DFEs, A's in these avocados, so many nutrients in this. I've got some organic peanut butter to put on celery or some sprouted bread. Got a whole thing of grapefruit back here. And then if you feel like a treat, you can cut some of these things open and satisfy yourself really easily. But if you want to indulge in something, instead of buying a thing of cookies, get yourself some flowers. You deserve it. Treat yourself to things that don't wreck your health and make you feel worse about yourself than you felt before. All right, load up your carts. Load up your cars the right way when you go shopping.